In this video, I'm going to show you how to post the full pictures on Instagram. So first thing that you'll need to do, just go and open your Instagram and click on the plus button. So we can use just the built-in resize tools on the application. So here, of course, you'll have to choose which picture you wanna post an example. And for me, I'm just going to choose a picture and come back. So as an example, I'm just going to choose a picture, this picture. And as you can see, I'll be able to resize it. So if it's zoomed like this, you'll be able to resize it and make it as small as possible. And in this way, you will be able to just publish it or post it, the full picture on your Instagram. But if that is still not optimal or good for you, you can use example Canva to resize images for Instagram. You can use it, of course, in any browser. You can go to canva.com. Even on your PC, if it's better for you, I prefer that in my case. And you can go, an example, search for Instagram posts and put your picture there. Make sure to resize it, download it, and come back here and make sure to upload the resized picture. So then click on next. As an example, once you have it, click on next again, click on OK, and make sure to click on share, and it will be shared on your Instagram profile without any problem. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.